Altogether. Completely, entirely. Example: she was altogether surprised by the news. Altogether. A group of people or things gathered in one place. Example: we sang all together at the concert. Keep still. Stay in one place and do not move. Example: the doctor asked the child to keep still during the checkup. Odd socks. Two socks that do not match in color or pattern. Example: he went to work wearing odd socks and didn't even notice. All the while. Throughout the time that something else is happening. Example: she smiled all the while he was talking. In broad daylight. Something happening in plain sight, during the day. Example: the thief stole the bike in broad daylight. At large. Not captured, free. Example: the suspect is still at large. Have a word. To speak briefly with someone. Example: can I have a word with you about the project? Quite often. Frequently. Example: she visits the library quite often. In a while. After some time. Example: I'll call you back in a while. Beat of death. A very dangerous or life-threatening moment. Example: he escaped the car crash by a beat of death. Do a favor. To do something helpful for someone. Example: could you do me a favor and pick up some groceries? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.